Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your patient portal account to ensure you have proper access to your medical records and healthcare information, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to your healthcare provider's patient portal website. Sign in using the username and password you created during registration. Step 2. After logging in, look for your account profile or settings section, usually accessible by clicking your name or an account icon in the top corner. Step 3. Review your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, email address, and phone number. Verify that all details match your medical records. Step 4. Check for an account verification status indicator. Some portals show a verified badge or confirmation message when your account is fully activated. Step 5. Look in your email inbox for any verification messages from the patient portal. Click any verification links you may have missed during initial setup. Step 6. Verify that you can access all portal features, including test results, appointment scheduling, secure messaging with your provider, and prescription refills. Step 7. If your account appears not fully verified or you're missing access to certain features, contact your healthcare provider's patient services department. They can verify your identity, confirm your account is properly linked to your medical record, and grant you full access to all portal features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.